Welcome. You are watching the campus news from Holy Cross College Nagarcoil. News for the second half of the month of July 2023. July 14 and 15, 2023. International Conference on Contemporary Research in Humanities and Social Sciences. The Research Department of Commerce, Holy Cross College Nagarcoil, in collaboration with Department of Commerce, St. Joseph's College of Arts and Science, Kadalur, jointly organized a two-day international conference on contemporary research in humanities and social sciences. The resource persons, Dr. Satyanarayana Paraidam, Professor, Department of Management and Marketing, Charlton College of Business, University of Massachusetts, Dartmouth, USA. Dr. Father Aruldas, Dean of Studies and Head of the Department of Business Administration, St. Joseph's College of Arts and Science, Kadalur, and others. In their talk, helped the participants to keep abreast of the latest knowledge in research and enhance the skills needed for promoting productivity in research. Dr. Sister Sahai Selvi, the principal of Holy Cross College Nagarcoil, gave the valedictory address. July 18, 2023. Library Day celebration. Library Day was celebrated on July 18, 2023. Dr. Sister Mary Gilda, the secretary of the college, and Dr. Sister Sahai Selvi, the principal of the college, in their address, encouraged the students to consciously develop the art of reading books. The chief guest, Dr. Francis Xavier, former vice principal, St. Xavier's College, Palayamkottai, in his talk insisted that the habit of reading is the first step towards success and therefore encouraged the students to read more books in their native language and foreign languages. The special invitee, Dr. A. Lawrence Mary, Associate Professor, Department of Library and Information Science, Muslim Arts and Science College, Thiruvidankod, an alumni of the 1975-1979 batch, narrated her experiences as a student of the college and her interaction with and admiration for the librarians during her time. A lively debate on whether reading habits boost creativity or stimulate self-confidence was chaired by Ms. Jiabal Ershini of 3rd BSc Mathematics. The curtains on the day-long Library Day celebrations came to a close with scintillating cultural performances by the students. Dr. Jayakala, the college librarian, organized the festivities. July 17 and 18, 2023. Chief Minister's Trophy Athletic Competition. In the state-level Chief Minister's Trophy Athletic Competition at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in Chennai, Ms. M. Abhinaya of 2nd BA English Aided won the silver medal in long jump and received a monetary reward of Rs 75,000. July 22, 2023. Miyawaki Forest Inauguration. Miyawaki, a method of afforestation, is quickly gaining popularity in India for its potential prospect of creating green urban spaces. On July 22, 2023, a Miyawaki plantation drive was inaugurated on the campus. Mr. Anant Mogan, IAS, the Corporation Commissioner, launched the initiative and applauded attempts at promoting urban forestry. Nearly 114 saplings of assorted plants were sponsored and planted with the help of NIMIR, a voluntary organization for creating awareness about nature conservation among youth. The event was endorsed and encouraged by Dr. Sister Mary Gilda, the secretary of the college, Dr. Sister Sahai Selvi, the principal of the college, with cheerful support of Dr. Sister Lima Rose, the vice principal of the college, and was organized by Dr. Punitha and Dr. Albino Vince of the Eco Club to nurture the biodiversity of the campus. July 25, 2023. Blood Donation Camp. The Youth Red Cross unit of our college organized a voluntary blood donation camp on the theme Give Blood, Save Lives and Be a Hero at the Multipurpose Hall. Dr. Sister Sahai Selvi, the principal of the college, felicitated the organizers and participants of the camp. The chief guest, Dr. L.P. Sasta, Blood Donation Officer, Government Hospital, Padmanabhapuram, Nagarcoil. The guest of honor, Dr. Christadas William, Youth Red Cross District Coordinator, and the special guest, Mr. Nanjil Raj, President of District Blood Donor Society, educated the participants about the purpose of blood donation and appealed to the participants to practice healthy eating habits and become active donors. The blood donation camp received an overwhelming response from the students, and 63 individuals donated blood in the donation drive. The blood donation camp was organized by Dr. Befija Mini, Program Officer of OIRC, with the support of the organizing committee members. July 28, 2023, Annual Sports Day. The college football ground was all upswing in action with celebrations marking the 58th Annual Sports Day. Earlier in the day, the chief guest, Mr. Apau, MLA, Speaker of Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly, accepted the guard of honor by the students and walked his way to the venue, flanked by the guest of honor, Thiru R. Magesh, Mayor of Nagarkoil Corporation, the special invitee, Tirumadi Mary Prince-Leta, the Deputy Mayor of Nagarkoil Corporation, and other dignitaries. Dr. Sister Mary Gilda, the Secretary of the college, welcomed the gathering, and Dr. Sister Sahai Selvi, the Principal of the college, felicitated the sports persons and organizers. In his address, the chief guest, Mr. Apau, urged the students to invest in physical fitness and well-being in addition to academics. A towering cultural and aerobic performance by our stalwart sportswomen and students was interspersed with full-blown live sports events, offering the spectators a glimpse of live sporting action. Dr. Christian Selen Mary and Dr. Leslie Fatima coordinated all preparations for the sports day. Newsletter release. Newsletters are documents that voice the work we do, and all departments, clubs, and committees of our college release their newsletter at regular intervals. The month of July witnessed the release of newsletters by the Internal Quality Assurance Cell, IQAC, Campus Animation Team, and the Cross-Scene Research Forum. The office staff also released an exclusive newsletter of their activities for the first time this month. Visit by HCIIC Team, Holy Cross College, Tiruchirappalli. A 5-member team of Holy Cross Innovation and Incubation Council, HCIIC of Holy Cross College, Tiruchirappalli, visited the Innovation and Ideation Lab, IIL, of a college to learn about idea generation, sustenance, startups, and other new flagship initiatives of the center. These are the latest from the campus. Holy Cross College Nagarkoil takes pride in its winning streak that continues each day and every minute of the year. Stay tuned until we meet in another edition of Campus News. Thank you.